Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features on this Sony. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down right away. Then choose System, so sorry that was a misclick, System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, go into Text Correction section, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!